Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a really exciting one. We got the pleasure of cleaning Mark McCann's KTM X-Bow GT XR. This is the only one of these cars in the UK, and as far as I'm aware, we're the first ones to do a proper clean on it. So this is really exciting. On this car we do our typical mini valet service, so it's inside and outside thorough clean, and this was an absolute joy to work on. So if you guys want to see any more cars like this being cleaned on the channel, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you'd like to see us clean next in the comments section. Let's go right into it.
Insane.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it is.
By the way guys, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just as well as this car, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app today, and you can book a mobile car clean that will come to your location. You don't have to travel to a unit or travel to like a traditional car wash. We come to you, and we've got a nationwide marketplace of vetted professionals who are the best at their job, so you know that your car will always be taken care of. So again, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just like this, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app. Link is in the bio to do either of those options.
His as well?
Yeah.
And there we have it guys, Mark McCann's KTM is now looking absolutely lovely. I actually like the new wheels on his car, but let me know what you guys think. Did you prefer the original wheels, or did you like the wheels that he's got on now? We're actually a big fan of it, but let us know what you think in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching the video again. If you want to see more stuff like this, please drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.